A Syrian court has sentenced ousted President Bashar-Al Assad to death in absentia. This is notably the first such verdict against the former ruler since his regime collapsed in December 2024. Assad's younger brother, Maher, who commanded the powerful 4th Armored Division, was also sentenced to death in absentia. So was Atif Najib, a former security official and Assad's cousin, accused of overseeing the crackdown in Daraa in 2011. The court in Damascus convicted Assad of crimes including premeditated murder.
Bashar-Al Assad ibn Hafiz.
He is also convicted of the felony of torture resulting in death, and multiple acts of deprivation of liberty constituting crimes against humanity and war crimes. For these crimes, he is sentenced to death.
Outside the courthouse in Damascus, families of victims gathered to hear the verdict and were even seen celebrating soon after. Some carried photographs of relatives who were killed, detained, or disappeared.
Today is the day of justice for all the wounded, martyrs, detainees, and Syrians who were unjustly forced to leave their country. Today is a historic day. Today marks a victory of right against injustice, victory of the Syrian people against the ousted regime.
For many, the sentences represent a first step towards accountability after decades of Assad family rule. However, rights groups and analysts have warned that accountability cannot be limited to one side of the war and that families still need answers about those missing, mass graves, and clarity on who ordered the crimes in the first place. The Assad family ruled Syria for more than 5 decades, with Bashar al-Assad taking power in 2000 after the death of his father, Hafiz al-Assad. Assad then fled to Syria as rebel forces captured Damascus in December 2024 and later received asylum in Russia along with members of his family. The verdict, therefore, has no immediate effect on Assad, who remains outside Syria. The country's justice minister said that the death sentences will go before the country's court of cassation, with the defendants given a right to appeal. The ruling also came after months of hearings that included witness testimonies, documents, images, and other evidence relating to abuses under the former regime.